Good day everyone. So I'm here today to demonstrate to you on how to use the digital multimeter. So first things first, you need to get yourself a digital multimeter. Next is to plug your test leads to your multimeter. Next is measuring the continuity or the resistance. Next is measuring the current. Measuring the voltage. So, in less than 3 minutes, you are now able to use the digital multimeter and know how to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Thank you.